Here is the tree. Here's the saw. And timber, here it goes.
This is the Dijon Pool 6-inch blade on here. It also has an 8-inch. You do need a DeWalt battery. This does not come with a battery. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. All right, I'm just going to cut this into little pieces here. The 6-inch works really nicely.
Here's the Dijon Pool saw. You get a sheath with the 6 and you get the 8-inch, and I'm going to show you how to install this real easy. You're also going to get 2 8-inch chains and another one for the 6-inch. You get glasses, which I was not wearing. You get gloves, and you get a little bottle for oil. It doesn't come with oil, but not a big deal. To change the blade, you're going to unscrew this right here, screw this off. This whole thing is just going to come up and out. I do suggest taking the battery out before doing anything, which I didn't do. We're going to release the saw and all of this stuff. There's the chain right there. What I like to do is put it on here at the top. And then this chain here is going to go around this little cog wheel right there. And you're going to put this on. You might have to spin this a little to get it to sit properly and flat. And you're going to make sure it's all lined up there. We're going to put this piece in like this. All right, it's going to hold it in place. And then we're going to screw this top in, tighten it down, just like that. Right here, you have to always push this, but you want to be careful. And there you go. Here is the tree. Here's the saw. Let's see if we can do it. I actually started it, and I don't know what's going to happen. One-handing filming this is probably not smart, but we're going to give it a try. Here we go. And timber, here it goes. Look at that. Wow. All right. It works. That's how thick it is, just so you can see.